New vehicle and transmission designs have eliminated transmission filling tubes, requiring an innovative solution to add automatic transmission fluid to modern transmissions. OTC has created the 6792 Transmission Fluid Fill Extract Kit with universal and OE-style adapters to fill most transmissions faster and easier. The 6792 comes with a 14 adapter set for various vehicle manufacturers, extraction, and transfer hoses, and a 6-liter reservoir bottle with dual safety mechanisms to prevent unexpected reverse fluid flow. Shop Air powers the extraction and dispensing process with quick connect ends to easily connect and disconnect hoses and adapters. The adapters are packaged in a blow-molded clamshell case with adapter use guide for organization and to keep them from getting lost. The universal extraction hose will pull ATF from any container as small as a 1-quart bottle to larger drums. Before using the 6792 to fill transmissions, make sure the vehicle is at operating temperature and you follow all OEM repair procedures. These procedures will detail drain and fill processes, operating temperature, fluid fill amount, and how to determine when the transmission is full. This kit will make your life easier when draining or filling transmissions. To start using the 6792 Transmission Extract and Fill Kit, connect the reservoir bottle to 90 psi Shop Air and turn the extract dispense knob the direction of the extract until it stops. Next, turn the quarter-turn inlet valve lever to extract mode. Connect the extraction hose to the reservoir bottle and connect to universal extraction adapter. Then insert the extraction hose into your ATF bottle. Hold down or lock the handle lever in the hold position with the included clip. To begin transferring fluid, pull the hose trigger and the reservoir bottle will begin to fill. The dual redundant safety mechanisms for flow direction and fluid transfer helps prevent unexpected or reverse flow. When the reservoir bottle is filled or has enough fluid for the transmission, remove the extraction hose from the ATF bottle. Then release the hose trigger and unlock or release the handle lever. Disconnect the extraction hose and connect the dispensing hose to the reservoir bottle and trigger hose. Locate and connect the correct adapter to the vehicle or hose trigger first, depending on application. When ready to fill, connect the fill hose to the vehicle adapter. Then turn the extract dispense knob to dispense until it stops. Turn the inlet valve lever to dispense. Next, hold down or lock down the handle lever and pull the hose trigger to begin transferring fluid. Pump any fluid remaining in the reservoir bottle back into its original container to avoid cross-contamination. Ask your tool dealer about the OTC 6792 Transmission Fluid Fill Extract Kit with adapters to make servicing and filling transmissions faster and easier.